Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I will solve this tricky math quiz that is confusing almost everyone on the internet and show you why the correct answer is 0, not 72. Okay, so the quiz is -6 square plus bracket open -6 bracket close all square is equals. Okay, for you to solve this kind of quiz and get the correct answer, we need to apply the law of BODMAS. BODMAS. Okay. Now, BODMAS stands for bracket, order of operation, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Now, if we want to apply BODMAS in this quiz, we need to do what is in the bracket. I want you to understand that -6 square is different from bracket -6 bracket close all square. So this one, according to order of operation, -6 square means negative bracket 6 times 6. That's what I want you to know. Meanwhile, bracket -6 all square means -6 times -6. Okay, according to order of operation. So according to order of operation, if something is raised to the power something and there's a negative sign here, the negative does not affect the result of this thing. This negative does not affect. But if something is put in a bracket and it is raised to the power of something, that is where the negative will affect what is in the bracket. Okay, so let's solve the quiz. I hope you understand this step. So the next step we are going to take is to follow the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS. We'll start with what is in the bracket. Now, we will have -6 square plus what is in the bracket? -6, right? Times -6. Okay, is equals. Now, we come to this other exponent and express it. We will now have negative in bracket 6 times 6, okay, minus 6 times -6 is equals. Okay, now -6 times 6. Remember I told you that -6 square is negative in bracket 6 times 6. -6. Now we have to apply the law of BODMAS again here to solve this other bracket. So this answer here will be -6 times 6, 36, minus, plus, after division we have multiplication, okay, before addition and subtraction. So this negative here is attached to this 6 and this other negative is attached to this 6. So it is -6 times -6, and we all know that negative times negative becomes positive. So here is positive, -6 times -6, positive 36. Okay, is equals. Good. The answer is green. So negative 36 plus 36 is 0 is equals, and therefore answer is equals 0. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any doubt or any question, drop in the comment section. Share this quiz to test someone. Don't forget to subscribe to the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Press the notification button so that whenever we do a new video, you'll be the first to watch it.